Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how long to study for MCAT, updated. Start by picking a test date and work backward to build a schedule that fits your life. I'll walk you through assessing baseline scores, estimating daily hours, and balancing content review with practice tests. Expect guidance on pacing for 1 month, 3 months, and 6 months of study, plus tips to adjust if your score progress stalls. Choosing 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months depends on starting score and time per day. Short plans require focused, high-intensity practice and quick content refreshers, while longer plans let you space subjects and reinforce weak areas. I'll share how to split study blocks, when to add experimental review weeks, and how to track progress without burning out. Small, consistent gains beat occasional marathon sessions. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more practical guides. Quick recommendation: I love these leak-proof containers for meal prep and study day snacks. They save time and reduce stress when you're on a tight schedule. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab them easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. A reliable weekly structure helps convert hours into measurable progress and prevents wasted study time. Aim for a mix of content review, timed passages, and one full-length exam each week during peak phases. Use spaced repetition and an error log to target recurring mistakes, and keep one lighter day for rest and light review. I'll explain how to balance endurance training with focused study so you enter test day confident.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.